Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to improve your LinkedIn profile strength. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to your LinkedIn, open your LinkedIn profile. And to make your profile more strong, you have just to try to put all the informations that you have in your profile. So this, for me, it's just an example profile, but you should put your real picture on your profile. And please, you have to put a real picture and professional picture of you. That means you should have like a picture with like not, for example, while you are attending a party or while you are like on the beach or something like that. So your picture should be professional. You should also like have a good like introduction for your profile, and just to do it you have to click on the pen here, and as you can see, this is the headline of your profile. You should have a good headline, and on that headline try to use keywords related to the activity or the job that you are doing. It's very important thing. You should also put your education, like experiences also, like you should put like all the places that you worked on here in experience. You should also put your education. Don't put like the primary school or things like that. You have to put like start from the high school and after that the university where you studied. You should also put the skills that you have related to your job, of course, and other things. You can add more sections. To add more sections, you have to click on add section, and you can add like services. If you had like some break on your career, you should add them. And also you should add licenses and certifications that you have, like this. You have to fill this form and add all the certifications and the licenses that you have. Also, if you have worked on some projects, you have to add them. And if you attended some courses, you have also to add them. And try always to make your profile oriented to something that you have like specialty on, like marketing or engineering, or I don't know what is exactly your field. And you should do that to make it clear for the person who want to hire you or want to do some work or business with you, that you are the person that he really needs. So by putting all those informations, that will make it easier for him. And also you should post from time to time some, I don't know, informations, some stats, some articles related to your specialty, so your profile will remain active, because LinkedIn will recommend you to more people when your account is active, because if your account is not active, they will show you less and less on the search results, because for them you will be inactive, and that's why your profile don't deserve to be shown for people who are looking like for something that you should be able to do. And that's it. After putting all those things, your profile will be good. And of course, consistency is the key. So you should post always. If there is anything new, you should update your profile. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.